students. Today I will discuss about the future tense. You all know that in future will and shall will be used with first form of verb. With first form of verb. For example, we shall win the match. He will help you. You all know that where we are using will and where we are using shall. In interrogative, will, shall will come at the starting. If the question word is given there, then first of all, question word will be used here. In negative and the interrogative, for example, I shall not be going to school on Sunday. In interrogative, shall I be meeting her tomorrow? It is very easy. You all have done in previous classes. And the future continuous will be, shall be, will be used. For example, we shall be taking our test at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow has been used because the coming day. It means the next day. It means the time in future. What will you do? You be doing tonight. It means today's night. We shall be visiting him tomorrow. With the first person of pronoun we are using shall. And with other subjects we are using will. I will send you exercise to do practice. In the perfect tense, again will, shall will be used, but have will be used with we third. It means past participle. I shall have finished this book before 5 p.m. You all know that in perfect tense always using third form of verb. Again in the future perfect continuous, time will be shown there, time will be used there. I shall have been solving sums since morning. Since and for will be used for definite time and indefinite time. She will have been washing clothes for 2 hours. In negative we will use not. In interrogative, we shall and will be used at the starting. If question word is given there, then question word will be used. I will send you some exercises